Welcome to Like a Ghost in a Shell podcast. This is the place where we share thoughts, opinions, advice, cognitive and psychological theory, practices, facts, studies, and lots more. Before we go any further, please be warned, I don't claim to be a professional psychologist. Make sure to consult with a licensed practitioner before trying anything we share here if you are up in the air about anything we discuss. This podcast is based on personal and self-taught studies. Thank you. Segment 1. What the hell could it mean to have drive? Is drive only present in a person that can jump from one thing to another? Is drive the absence of passion? Or is drive working Elon Musk hours until you finally hatch SpaceX? Humbly said, but as a natural-born skilled and talented athlete, I've always been a fast sprinter. I never bought into track, for no specific reason at all. But I absolutely craved playing football, basketball, and most of all, soccer. Speed and explosivity were the ticket for me. As I grew older, I started to learn how to control my speed and power. I could go from 0-100 in 0.5 milliseconds or start jogging in Gear 1, just like a stick-shift car. I could turn on Gear 2, Gear 3 until I reach top speed. But just because I can control my speed, power, and so on, does that make you believe that I have drive? Especially as a naturally born talent with speed. Perhaps, maybe until you have some data or reliable information behind the improvements I may be made over the years that have passed from my childhood to adulthood, huh? Even as a natural born talent, one of the world's most known names in soccer, Lionel Messi. From Barcelona, to PSG, to winning the World Cup with Argentina, and now, as Messi embarks on his next journey. The MLS here in America, at Inter Miami. Beyond definition of a living legend, Messi has reached heights and set many standards, as many great talents will go on to do. When? Time will tell. But as for Messi, his name is forever decorated with trophy after trophy. Let me re-emphasize that though. His name is forever decorated with drive, after drive, after drive. Whether it's what he's wanted to accomplish in his career or not, the stats, the trophies, the skills, the time says it all about Messi's drive. In many interviews with the press, it's like Messi is taking a shot at the goalie for a penalty kick. He's always seemed to be this quiet, humbled, amazing talent that just wants to dribble the ball around, score some damn goals, sometimes a lot of them, and do what he knows he does best, win. Along with winning, he wins championships. The people, and pretty much could feel like the whole galaxy is in his pocket at all times. Whatever the case may be for Lionel Messi, I've always thought of him as the athlete that needs to be on the field, helping his team do their best and exceed expectations. Because I know that feeling. That itch. And the drive sometimes feels like someone surprisingly pushing you into the swimming pool with clothes on, and your phone in hand. Segment 2. I'm in drive, now what?